Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks UK. First, let's get your business set up correctly. Begin by entering your company details and customizing your preferences to match your operations. Next, link your bank accounts for seamless transaction imports, saving you valuable time. Don't forget to tailor your chart of accounts, ensuring every transaction is categorized precisely. Finally, invite your accountant to access your books, making collaboration straightforward and efficient. Now let's manage your money. You can easily create and send professional invoices to your clients, ensuring you get paid on time. It's crucial to record all your business expenses and categorize them accurately for tax purposes. Make sure to reconcile your bank transactions regularly. This helps keep your books balanced and identifies any discrepancies. Plus, QuickBooks helps you track sales tax, simplifying your reporting obligations. Understanding your business's financial health is key. QuickBooks allows you to process payroll for your employees efficiently, ensuring everyone is paid correctly and on schedule. You can generate essential financial reports, such as profit and loss statements, to see how your business is performing. Detailed cash flow statements help you understand where your money is going. This organized data will significantly simplify your preparation for tax season. QuickBooks offers many advanced features to help your business grow. Explore the App Store to find integrations that extend its functionality, from CRM to e-commerce. If you sell products, you can manage your inventory directly within the system, keeping track of stock levels. For service-based businesses, utilize project tracking to monitor profitability for specific jobs. Remember, customer support is always available if you have any questions or need assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.